Easy gluten-free gingerbread man recipe now. Get ready to indulge into the festive spirit with our easy and delicious gluten-free gingerbread man recipe. This recipe is perfect for those with gluten intolerance or sensitivity, and it is just as tasty as the traditional version. Made with gluten-free flours and spices, these gingerbread men are soft, chewy, and full of flavor. Follow along with our simple step-by-step instruction to create your own gluten-free gingerbread men at home. Whether you're an experienced baker or a beginner, this recipe is sure to become a holiday favorite. Welcome back to our simple home. I start the gluten-free gingerbread man cookies with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 60 gram of dates, and 40 gram of coconut sugar. I mix it well, so I get this here. Then I add 1/4 cup of almond milk, 120 gram of almond butter, 50 gram of honey, or if you don't want to use honey, you can use molasses, works too. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 50 gram of oat flour, 50 gram of almond flour, 100 gram of white rice flour, 25 gram of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything well, and this is how it turned out. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I transfer the gluten-free gingerbread man cookie dough over to my baking mat. Sprinkle some almond flour underneath the dough so it won't stick as much. Then I just spread the dough out a little bit with my fingers, and then with a rolling pin I roll it to the thickness I like to have. Mine are not too thin, but also not too thick, so just pick how thick you want them. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with others. That means so much to me, and it helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Once I'm done with rolling, I take my gingerbread man cookie cutter and the stencil for it, and then I just make that and take it out. It is sometimes sticky, sometimes it's good to do the cookie cutter in almond flour so it's not that sticky. And yeah, here I'm doing it, and then try again, and then make the stencil, and even the stencil you can put into almond flour, that helps too, and then it gets out easier. And that's how they look. They're very pretty, and I love how they turned out. And you can do it with your whole family. My children are helping me here making their cookies because they will eat them and enjoy them. They love them. They really love them. Yeah, so all three are having a baking sheet and helping with the gingerbread man. And we have all kinds of stencils, and we are just trying all of them and have them all different, and they love that. This is how they look before I bake them. I think they are very adorable and cute and really enjoyable to eat and to look at. You don't even need icing sugar for them because they look beautiful like that. Now I bake them for 10 minutes, but it really depends how thick your dough is. But for mine, 10 minutes was good at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's how they look after I baked them. I let them cool and then I transfer them over into my cookie box. My kids really love those gluten-free gingerbread men with warm almond milk, and then just dip them into the warm almond milk and enjoy them this way. They really love them. We enjoy those warm spices, but I also made some ginger cookies, and you can shape them how you want also, like use different cookie cutters. And they are called ginger cookies, I believe. I made them 2 years ago and I have a video of that. I will link that below, and you can check it out also. And I also made lots of other cookies and recipes for Christmas. Check those out too. Here is a close-up look. How pretty is that? And you can play with them. Funny. Yeah, the kids really have fun with them. And yeah, here I show you the inside. This is how they look, and this is how thick my cookies are, and they taste delicious. Well, thank you so much y'all for watching, and make sure to like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and share my videos with others. Thank you very much. Maybe you want to watch this Christmas recipe next, or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.